Hi everyone, this is Practice Sumatif, paper 2, question number 1. We have to differentiate this expression with respect to x and then find the integral of this. All right, so let's differentiate first. We have to write like this, 2x to the power of 4, and then we have 4x minus 3 raised up to the power of half. Okay, now, so therefore, to differentiate this, we apply the product rules. The product rules will be stay v, that means copy the v, raised up to the power of 1 over 2, differentiate the u. So 4 times 2, we have 8x to the power of 3 plus stay u and differentiate the v. So when we differentiate the v, we bring down the power. So it will be multiply half and then copy everything. Reduce the power by 1, we have negative half. That is outside. And inside the expression, okay, we continue to differentiate it. So we have 4. Okay, and over here, we can actually simplify this with this. Let's simplify the expression. So we have third 4x minus 3 times with the 8x cubed. And over here, we plus 4x to the power of 4. And 4x minus 3 raised up to the power negative half, we can actually write in a positive index. So that would be 4x minus 3 raised up to the power half, which is square root here. We combine these two fractions, okay, by finding the lowest common multiple, which is the square root of 4x minus 3. So we will have 8x cubed. So when this one multiply the 4x minus 3, so we get back 4x minus 3. And then plus 4x to the power of 4. And let's simplify this, open up the bracket. We will have 32x to the power of 4 minus 24x cubed. And then plus 4x to the power of 4 over square root of 4x minus 3. Let's simplify further. 32x to the power of 4 plus 4. We have 36x to the power of 4 minus 24x to the power of 3 over square root of 4x minus 3. Now, is it possible for us to factorize this one? Yeah, let's factorize this. So factorize this one, we take out 12. Factorize 12. 12, and then we left with 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3. So I will factorize in such a way that's similar to the one given. Okay, square root of 4x minus 3. The word hence means whatever we have done before this, we need to use it in order for us to solve the following. So for the following part, we have to integrate 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed over square root of 4x minus 3 dx. Okay, let's find a similarity between this and the one that we just differentiate. So in order for me to get back this form, I just need to times 12 and divide by 12. Okay, therefore, we will have 1 over 12 times with the 12 of 3x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 over square root of 4x minus 3. So I regroup the expression so that I have exactly the same like the one that we have just found, because this is equivalent to the differentiated 2x to the power of 4 square root of 4x minus 3. Okay, therefore, isn't it this part? When we integrate it, we get back 2x to the power of 4 and then square root of 4x minus 3. And let's simplify the coefficient. So we will have x to the power of 4 square root of 4x minus 3 over 6. So that's it. We found the answer for question number 1.